Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to download the local model of Kimi K3 for free that's added by Hacking Face recently. Before we do that, let's see the difference between the cloud model and the local model. First thing first, let's go here to Google to this Ollama. You can download Ollama from here. Click this download button, create an account, or without an account, go to this link, ollama.com/download, and click this button and download Ollama. After downloading Ollama and then install it, you can get it right here on the desktop. Okay, this is my Ollama. Okay, after downloading Ollama, you have to sign in using your Ollama account. First, you need to sign up here and use it. After that, connect. Okay, device connects successfully. Okay, Ollama allows you to use those models for free using cloud model or using local model. As you can see, I have this agent one local model. Okay, after that, minimize Ollama and go right here, return right here, where is to this page. There is one day yesterday the update of this version is come and we can use Kimi K3 here, but its used costs $3 for the cloud mode. You must have subscription for Ollama. Okay, let's see how it works. Let's go. For me, I don't have subscription. Let's see. Okay, copy this link, connecting to cloud. Okay, let's send for supply. Okay, as you can see, it's a paid model. You must upgrade my Ollama account. Okay, this for the cloud model. It's cost around $15. Spend 1 million tokens. For us, you want to use it for free. You can use it for free using those websites in the previous video. You can get the link on the description, or you can, if you have a good internet connection, you can go here to this link, Kimi K3, and download it locally in your PC. As you can see, it's around 864 gigabytes. It's a lot. Okay, how to download this model? You can go here, use this model, use LM Studio or Ollama. I don't recommend Ollama because when I say here, hit copy and go here to Ollama. Enter, look at this. Ollama does not support this yet. There is a problem with Ollama. Okay, if you want to download it locally, you can use this model and download LM Studio. As you can see, in LM Studio is like 928 gigabytes. Click this download button and the model start downloading if you have enough space. For me, I don't have space. It's a large model. For me, I don't have connection for that. Okay, this is how to download and install Kimi K3 GGUF for free locally in your machine. Okay, thank you guys for watching this all for this tutorial. See you later on next tutorial.